Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I will do a short unboxing and review of the latest Sony headphones, the model WH-1000 XM5, and these headphones come with active noise cancellation. This is how the box looks like. As you can see, it's made of recycled materials, recycled paper, I believe. Here we have a picture with the headphones. And here we have another picture with the headphones, the serial number, and some other information. And that's it. This is the package. In order to open it, we need to pull this paper here. Okay. So again, this is the box made of paper. It looks very cheap, in my opinion. This is what we find inside the box. Here I think we have the user manuals and how to start the headphones and how to pair them. Yeah. Let me have a look inside. Yeah, basically, so we have some papers. This one, warranty card. Yeah, okay, as a full set of papers. This is the bag, and this is where the headphones are located. And this is the bottom of the box. I'll put it aside for the moment. So, let's focus on the bag. It's quite big, quite bulky if you ask me. In terms of materials, it's from soft cloth. It's not leather. For example, the Bose products, they are coming in nice leather. Okay, it's fake leather, but it looks like leather case. This is simple, but again, it's quite big. We have a strap here. Okay, let's open the case. And inside the case, we have the headphones. This is how the headphones look like. They are black. Let me see if we have some cables here. Yeah. So we have the audio cable. It's jack 3.5 millimeters to 3.5 millimeters. And we have a very small charging cable. I would say it's 20 centimeters. It's USB to USB-C. Basically, you are going to charge the headphones with your smartphone charger. And this is all that we have in this carrying case. Okay, this is magnetic. Very nice. Yeah, it's magnetic. I will put the carrying case aside and I will focus on the headphones. Okay, so the headphones are very light. I like them. This is matte black plastic. Okay, it's not prone to fingerprints, but I think that if you have something oily on your hand, you will see it here. But now my hands are clean. As you can see, no fingerprints. So the materials, very nice, very premium. I like it. The cushions, oh, very soft. It looks nice and it feels nice. I think they are very comfortable. I'll have to try them. So here, probably this is a mic. This is the charging port. I think here we have a small LED. This should be another mic, and here another mic. I believe these are mics. And here on this one, we have mics. We have the jack slot. We have the power on and the pairing button. This is a button. And this is another button for noise cancelling and ambiental mode. So basically, if you want to switch between noise cancelling and ambiental, you press this button, and that's it. This is how you make them bigger or smaller, depending on your head. And as you can see, they rotate. So like this and like this. So which one is, so this is left and this is right. So basically, if you keep them on your head, they will stay like this. And if you want to put them, to hang them on your neck, basically they will stay like this. So they will face the population with this part. It's not optimum. I would prefer to face it with the other part. Okay, the band is very soft. Here it's also very soft, but it's quite narrow, and I think that this will not be very comfortable. I will see. I have to try them, but the first impression is that they will not be very comfortable if you are going to use them for more than, let's say, 3-4 hours. Okay guys, so this was the unboxing. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to test them. I'm going to test them for, let's say, 2-3 days, because I want to give you a full review, and I want to give you full impressions after using them. So I'm going to stop the video now, but I'm going to use them, and I'm going to make the second part with my impressions. Okay guys, so I've been using the headphones for 5 days now, and I want to show you first the Sony Music application. It's a very basic and simple application. This is the main page of the application. As you can see here, you have a picture with your headphones and the model name. On this button you can shut down your headphones if you want. Here you have 3 dots, and this is basically like a help section where you can get a tutorial about your headphones. You can find out the latest software version and so on. Okay, but the main tabs that you are interested in are these 4 tabs here. As you can see here, you see the battery level of your headphones. In this tab, status tab, is the tab where you can see if you have the adaptive sound control on or off. If you press this on, you can activate the adaptive sound control, meaning that this will record your location and will record your habits, and based where you are, the headphones will automatically adjust the settings in order to have the best experience. But in my case, I don't want it to track my location all the time. I just want to use the headphones on a manual mode, so I'll switch it off. Here, if you have music playing, you will see the name of the track. Then the second tab is the sound. Basically here is where you control the sound quality. You have 3 modes here: noise cancelling, where the noise cancelling is active; ambient sound, where you have some sort of noise cancelling, but you can also hear the ambient around you. And here you can play with 20 levels. Basically in level 1 the noise cancelling is maximum, in level 20 the noise cancelling is minimum, and of course you have the off, meaning that the headphones will switch off the noise cancelling. I'll leave it on. Speak to chat, there is a function, for example, when you start to speak, the noise cancelling is automatically switch off, so I'm not going to activate it. Again, I like the manual mode. Here you have the equalizer. You have some presets like bright, excited, mellow, and so on. And you can also customize the sound how you want based on this equalizer. You can play with it. For the moment I leave it to off because I like it how it is by default. And also you have the 360 reality audio setup, meaning that you can subscribe to Sony 360 service and you can hear some very nice tracks and very nice music in 360. I tried it, it sounds amazing, but again you have to subscribe and you have to pay for it. I will not do that because I'm just going to use the headphones for travel and for listening to music. Here you have some other settings about Bluetooth, how you want to prioritize the Bluetooth on sound quality, on connection. In my case it's sound quality. And if you want DSEE Extreme or on off. Then you have the system tab. Basically here you have some settings for the headphones. If you want to allow two smartphones, for example, to connect to your headphones in the same time, you can activate this service here. Voice assistant, you can select between Google, Amazon, do not use. I will select do not use because I don't like it. If you want to activate the touch panel on your headphones, for example, to adjust the music from the headphones, from this headphone here, you can slide up or down to adjust the music volume. I don't like it. Sometimes I just press the headphones by mistake and automatically pause the song or automatically increase the volume, so I don't want to do that. For me it's off. And here you can select what to do when you press the noise cancelling button. So in my case I have two options activated, noise cancelling and ambient sound, and it will switch between these two modes. And again you can activate even more comments, and you can assign even more comments to the noise cancelling button. For example, if you press it 2 times it will do something, if you press it 3 times it will do something else. I don't want to activate those. Automatic power off, for example, you can select to power off the headphones when you take them out from your head. For me it's not the case, I don't want to do that. Also you can activate to pause the track when you take your headphones off of your head. This is a very nice feature if you, for example, if you take them off very often. Again, I'm not going to activate it. Activate notifications, for example, to hear the battery level, to hear when it's connected and so on. It's a very nice voice, I'll leave it on. And to download automatically the software to update it via the smartphone connection. And services, as I told you, here you can have all kinds of services, paid services from Sony, like Spotify, like Tidal, and so on, like 360 music. So you can do this by accessing this tab here. And here you have other tabs like activity tab. As I told you, if you activate this activity tracking, it will record your position and your habits, and it will adjust always the headphones based on your habits. But I don't want to be tracked, so I don't want to do that. And information about application and about software version. And this is it. This is the application. It's very simple. I'm not going to insist on it. You will discover it. Now let's focus a little bit on the headphones, because as I told you, I tested them and they have some pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. The sound quality is amazing. I mean, these are the best headphones I tested. They have bass, they have volume, they have everything you need. So you cannot find better noise cancelling headphones in terms of sound quality. The noise cancelling is the best in class. If you put them on your ear, you will not hear anything. Of course, for example, high voices, you still hear them, but for example, the background noise like engine, like air conditioning fans, like computer fans and so on, they are 100% suppressed. So from the noise cancelling perspective, these are the best headphones out there. In terms of comfort, well, okay, this is the big minus, because they are not very comfortable. The shape of the headband, because it's rounded, it's very uncomfortable. So after 2 hours of wearing, you will start to feel pain on your head. This is a big minus, and this is a no-go for me, because I'm using them more than 2 hours, sometimes more than 2 hours, and I started to feel pain in this area here. The ear cups, they are big, they cover your ear, but they are not very deep. So meaning this will mean that you will feel this material touching your ears. For example, this is not the case with the Bose headphones, for example, with the Bose QC45. And sometimes this is very disturbing. Probably it's a matter of getting accommodated with the headphones, but I have to tell you that you will feel the material, the soft material touching your ears. And another minus for me is the fact that they are not foldable. So this is how you keep them, this is how you put them on the carrying case, and the carrying case it's very big and very bulky. So I don't know why they decided not to make them foldable, but they are not very easy to carry with you when you travel, and this is another minus. So guys, just to recap, in terms of sound quality and noise cancellation, the best headphones in the market, and I tested many models. In terms of comfort, they are not very comfortable. I think both headphones are more comfortable. In terms of size, again, they are quite big. The carrying case is quite big. Both, it's also doing a better job here. Guys, this was my unboxing and review. If you find it useful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.